Oh, she's gonna be a good brunch here. Got stuff happening. And welcome back to another episode of Rempel Funny Farm Adventures. Today, as you can see, it's kind of gloomy, just walking down Main Street here in Kaslo. I'm not sure what we're gonna do today. Just wing it, I guess. See the Saturday market's going on here in Kaslo, so I'm gonna head over there and check that out quick. Maybe find something good. We'll see. Well, the Saturday market was quite interesting there. I actually found one stand, a little jewelry stand. So I picked up a nice Larimar stone necklace for Bree. I'll show you guys once I get to the truck. So here it is. Look at that. That is pretty. Hopefully she likes it. It's handcrafted in Kaslo, like I was saying. And I got you a little something. She says that they stopped mining that stone. So it's going to become pretty rare soon.
Thank you, baby, for thinking about me.
And we're off. Any guess where? Up the lake, God's country. That's where we're going to go to. It is a little bit gray today, like I said earlier. It's starting to rain now, but we're not going to let a little rain bring us down. Unless, does everybody want to sit at home, have a tablet day?
No.
Exactly. And yeah, we're going to go up, maybe try some fishing. They say fishing's good in the rain, mostly because nobody else will go out and fish in the rain, but we will. See you when we're up there. Peace. Well, turns out the river we wanted to fish in is extremely dirty and high up right now. It's a little bit early for pine mushrooms, but we figured we scout out one little area, see if we've seen anything anyways. So far, not seeing nothing. Not even a dipper. And then we're gonna go find a place to have a little barbecue, cook up some hot dogs, and I do know another little spot where we can catch some little fish. And maybe we'll do that.
Whoa, Daddy!
I do see where squirrels have been digging up some stuff. I don't know if it's a pine mushroom or not. Well, how was the drive in there, little Miss Licky Fingers?
Good.
Yeah, and you were saying before you drove some other stuff. What was that stuff you drove before?
Side by side. Mama's car and this one.
And now this one. There we go. Perfect. I'm getting some food going, and I don't have a little barbecue, so why not bring the whole big thing, eh? Buddy, doing up some hot dogs here. Big Daddy's Backwoods Bar and Grill, that's what we're gonna call this. Hot dogs are ready. Bon appetit. The kids down there. And I caught a little Ryder with me, munching some chips. Hi. Tay's got a fish. Oh, you got it off? Tay's got another one there. Lift it up into the bucket. This guy's a beauty. Oh.
That guy that I caught. Look
Look at that, a little brook trout or cutthroat.
Oh yeah.
Beauty in there. Well, all done fishing. Caught a couple fish. Deacon caught a couple of those log fish. He's pretty excited about that. Ryder was not happy to leave either. It was pretty fun. We had a little barbecue out there. That was good. Had some hot dogs, caught some fish. Yeah, now we're just on our way home to go pick up Bree from work, the sexy mama. And yeah, that'll be a day. Maybe have a movie night, set up the old projector.
Yay!
Yeah. Okay. See you guys when we get to Kaslo. Peace. Well, we made it to Kaslo. Now we're just waiting for Mama Bear to get off work. 10 minutes to spare, then we're heading home. It was a good day. The boys slept the whole way back from Meadow Creek to Kaslo. They were tired. And well, I almost forgot to mention, me and Ryder got to have a great day yesterday. Well, Bree went to work, the two other kids went to their friends, or they actually went to Nelson. And me and Ryder went out fishing. It was a great day. I'll make sure to show you guys what we did.
Well, Daddy, fish.
Well, we're here up at Fish Lake,
Huh?
doing some kayaking. Ryder loves it. Had to wake him up from his nap. Fish are jumping all over the place. That's pretty good.
Daddy, there's fish.
Oh, over there they're jumping too, eh? Oh, look, they were following my hook. There they are again, right there. Oh man, they're just littered. Little rainbows or cutthroats, one of the two. Should probably get a smaller spinner on him. Rocking kind of a big yellow spoon.
Huh?
Oh no. You can feel them biting, but they're not really hitting that hard. I also already lost a bobber and a fly out here, so I should probably kayak over and grab that because I see it floating.
There's a fish right there. Right there.
Over there?
Yeah.
Well, that doesn't look too bad. We kind of got the camera mount in there a little bit.
Yes. Oh, fish.
Woo! Oh my, Lana, did you see that one jump way over there? It came right out of the water. We're gonna have to paddle more over there. That back round, because everybody likes seeing our cute faces, eh?
Whoa!
Oh, that was horrible. Crazy. Oh my goodness. Oh, that one was good. Yeah. Like that one there. That's the money. I do think that this spoon is a little bit big, but I found that they are really digging the color yellow.
Dad.
Look at the reverse fly. Or dragonfly, I mean. Oh, don't worry, he's nice. He's nice. No need to panic, he's nice. They're just not hitting it that hard. They're hitting it, but they're not staying on. Go back this way.
No, go good.
No, you want to go to the truck ride? A little bit more. A little bit more fishing, okay?
Huh?
Maybe we'll go to that side of the lake.
Dad?
Yeah.
Right?
What about here? Look, all these guys jumping right here. Well, that's it for the kayaking. Lasted pretty long, half hour, not too bad. Didn't catch a single fish while out on the kayak, but I did get one on camera. And I did get another one, if you believe me or not, but it was actually smaller than that one I got on camera. Sweet little lake, Fish Lake, up in between Kaslo, New Denver. There's another lake, Bear Lake, just 2 minutes down the road. I don't think we're gonna go try that. We might try a couple more casts here. Thanks, buddy. Got my first one, just a little guy, but look at that, just beauty. Woo! Wild. Yeah, baby. We got one.
Fish?
Yeah, we got a fish.
Oh, fish. This is fish?
There he is.
Huh?
These guys are just little, but they're fun to catch.
Oh,
Oh, let's
fish.
get him in, let's get him in.
Fish?
Yeah. Keep him up. Whoa, calm down, buddy. Calm down.
Fish?
Oh, he ate it. Check out that guy, eh?
No.
No? Rinse him off a bit. There we go. Just little guys, but man, if you were just by yourself cooking on a campfire, that'd be some perfect eating. Oh, bye-bye, fish. Still a lot of fun to catch. Oh,
Fish. Bye-bye.
got another one. Way out there.
Oh.
This guy's smaller.
No, no, no.
No? Oh man, I can't believe this guy even took the hook.
Whoa.
Here he is. Hey, watch out, he's coming your way. Wow, there we go. Look at that, eh? Pretty. Nope. Nice, got him before he got away. Yeah? Something's been eating his tail. Slimy guy here. Trying to show the fish, but see you later. Done trying. He deserved that one. Goodbye. Hey, look, my bobber's actually getting closer.